Hello guys, it's your guy RX from RX Gameplay. It's a bit laggy now. Me and my brother, he has more kills than me. It doesn't matter. There is my alt account as usual. I don't know where he went actually. Where did he go? I think he's by the stadium. Oh, there's he. Okay. He's building his ult. Oh hell no. That ain't happening. Where did he go? Guys, do you know my eyes is not that. Wait, I heard him, but there you are. Can you see me? No, you don't. You have a lag your phone? I think I should change my character.
I'll say a true combo.
Alt psychic. My favorite character, bro.
I'll say something with my real combo. I think I can't do a combo because you're so laggy.
Bro, I'm not even ready yet. Bro, cheating. Bro, cheating. Yes, now I've got you. Sorry for the lag. That's another thing, bro. Why am I finding the A? I got a plan. I'm not running. Guys, remember to like and subscribe. If you had subscribed to me, you would know that if I said like and subscribe, it doesn't mean I'm ending this video. As you guys know. Yeah. Me and my brother is actually sharing this account. I'm a my brother here. Anime Lord, Anime Goku. Your phone's low.
Your peanut butter.
I wish this was blocks so I would kick your ass. My whole body part fell apart. I'm just gonna do something over here. Who said I'm building my art? Stop the cap.
What Damn. Look at my new
Okay.
emote. Look at my new emote.
Yes, bro, I know. You have an emote. Everybody knows what the emote is.
Look at my new emote. Let me show you. Let me show you.